Want to start creating seamless music mashups on your iPhone? Mixy Music Mashup is the go-to app, and it only takes a minute to get up and running. First, open the App Store, tap the search bar and type Mixy Music Mashup. Look for the icon of a vinyl record with waveforms and tap it. Next, hit Get and wait for the app to download and install on your home screen. When you launch Mixy for the first time, you'll be prompted to grant permission to access your music library and microphone. This lets you import your favorite songs and record live mashups on the fly. Once you're in, a short in-app tutorial will guide you through selecting 2 tracks from your library, dragging them onto the virtual mixer decks, and tapping Mash to hear your first blend. You can adjust the crossfade, add simple effects, and even save your mix as an audio file to share with friends. Don't forget to enable background audio in your iPhone settings Mixy, so your mashup keeps playing even if you switch apps. That's all it takes to start crafting epic, professional-sounding mashups on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with your first mashup idea, and subscribe for more quick app tutorials.